Brand spankers.
What is it?
It's a Newcastle Flyer.
Let's go to Overhead Town. Go to Overhead Town. And I'm doing a partial unboxing.
Yep.
We'll get this out of the way because the boxes makes up half the train as far as I'm concerned.
How cool is it? Super bright.
What's bright?
The colour.
Excuse me while I cut the train in half.
Do you have a permit for that?
Nope. Don't tell anybody I was near it. What have we got? Talk us through it. As I'm doing this, you can...
So you are pulling out the locomotive at the moment. So the Newcastle Flyers were used between Newcastle and Sydney.
Do you know how angry Marlon would be right now watching me do this?
Well, let's hope he's not watching.
Sorry.
So we've got protective bits here. Let's take that off. Oh, it's got
A nose piece.
stuck to my finger. Stick that there. All right, so we've got the loco there,
Loco!
and then you're getting out the tender, yeah? Carefully.
A tender?
It's called the tender.
Why do they call it a tender?
I don't know. I guess because it tends a loco.
Pretending.
Not pretending.
If it was in front of the train, it'd be called the pretender.
Oh, you got to write that one down.
Really?
I'm going to forget it immediately. So, what do we got here? So these are locomotive. So these are the what series? What are these again? The
Love
80,
me
80.
tender, love me. Sorry. This is the 38 series.
Oh, 38. That's
The
it.
38 series
So
loco.
hence the 3801.
Yep. This
Yep,
is
right
the
there.
Newcastle Flyer. And
Yep.
I believe it started in 1943.
Yep.
Is that right?
Well, this
And
particular
there was
one.
a 36 series before it.
Yeah, and that started in the 1920s.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that particular trip took just under 3 hours. So it was one of the first special express services that started in Australia.
Choo choo.
But look at that green. That is magnificent.
I am partial to green.
And you won't be able to see it from here, I don't think, but there's some really fine yellow pinstriping, which I think we'll get if we zoomage in.
Let's do zoomy. Oh, don't bang it.
Hang on.
Hey, you put that on
I'm
there.
trying to focus it.
I cannot focus. Not with that much coffee and that much sugar just entering my bloodstream. All the focus is completely gone. I'm seeing double.
It's hard enough for you to focus normally. There you go. You see the really fine pinstripes here? They're all painted on.
130 episode coffee. That was good coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, does it have a working headlight?
And it's got the Newcastle Flyer. I'm trying to get the right angle there so you can see it. It says Newcastle Flyer out in front of you.
Wow. No, that's HO scale.
Yep. Okay, you got the light here. Unfortunately, this one, the light isn't a working light.
Oh, I was going to ask
But if you're
that.
really clever, you could make that working.
I know somebody who's good at making LED lights work on things.
Really?
Mm.
Who's that?
Mm-hmm.
Does it look like me?
Looks a lot like you.
Got some internal detail, which is quite nice.
There's nothing. Uh-oh.
What?
I don't know. I made a funny noise.
What? Yeah, that's just the
It's a sound of-
tender hook. How good is it?
Yeah, they still scare me.
Got all the valve gear there. All this stuff here.
And the pistons, does it have pistons?
Pistons? Yeah, there's pistons in there.
Pi- Pistons not broke?
No, it's all good. And what do you want to do? You want to attach the tender on it so
No.
you can see?
No. I'll let the people who buy it do that.
And then let's have a look at the coal finish on the top of it.
Coal finish?
Yeah, so you got the molded coal in there.
Well, you wouldn't have real coal because it would be messy.
Well, the what are they again?
What? Coal?
No, what's the name of the train on the Belgrave line?
Puff and Billy, mate.
Puff and Billy, mate. The model of that actually comes with real coal. It's put in the tender.
Really?
Yeah,
Can you light it?
you could light it because it's real. It'll
Is that as
probably
tight as
burn.
we can go?
How tight do you want?
I want to go all the way.
There you
Oh.
go. How good are you focusing?
I told you I'm seeing double.
Did you go too far? You could have gone too far. Is that as far as we're going?
That's as far as it'll go.
Oh, I think you overstretched yourself.
Oh, I just wanted to see that little insignia here. There you go, sort of.
What is it? What's it say? I can't read that.
I can't read it either, even on the big screen.
What is it? Is it a
Look at
flower?
that, look at the detail.
Oh, look at the rivets.
Beautiful rivets, beautiful pinstriping.
Yep.
They must have small paintbrushes to do that.
Could be really small people.
with even smaller paintbrushes.
That's right. From really small sables. How's your sable farm going?
No good.
No good? Does that happen anymore?
They got COVID. I overshaved them. They got the sniffles. Nothing worse
You had
than
to let them go.
to go free.
You're terrible.
Sables and sniffles, no good.
Now, people don't know yet because we haven't released the, is it the third or the fourth part of the Stratos build? And I don't know what happened, but we went a bit crazy.
Did we?
Yeah.
It's
a bit raw and a bit...
It was probably the paint fumes.
Could have been. But we're going to release it anyway, and we'll get people to judge us.
People judge me constantly.
They do. Quite often not in front of your face.
It's okay.
Yep.